In today's class, we are going to discuss question number 5, 7, 8 and 11 from exercise 8b. Let's start with question number 5. In question number 5, one parallelogram is given. And in this parallelogram, angle BAO is given as a 35 degree. Angle DAO is given as a 40 degree. And angle COD is given as a 105 degree. And we have to find some other angle ABO. It means ABO, this one we have to find. Then angle ODC, it means we have to find this one, ODC. Then we have to find angle ACB, angle ACB. This complete angle we have to find, angle ACB and angle CBD, angle CBD. These four angles we have to find. So if you see this one, angle COD is 105 degree and this one is equal to this angle, vertically opposite angle. So what we can write here, angle COD is equal to angle AOB. Now since angle COD is equal to 105 degree, it is given. Therefore, angle AOB is also 105 degree. So this angle is our 105 degree. Now in triangle AOB, angle OAB plus angle AOB plus angle ABO is equal to 180 degree. OAB is your 35 degrees given. AOB is given 105 degree and angle ABO you have to find. So solve it. This one will be 140 degree plus angle AOB which is equal to 180 degree. So angle ABO is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree which is equal to 40 degree. This is your first answer. Angle ABO is equal to 40. Now I can write here as a 40 degree. Now ODC, if you see ODC, this is ODC. So here this angle is your 35 degree. It means this is also 35 degree because alternate angles. So what we can write here, angle, this is 35 degree and if you see this one is your 40 degree. So this is also your 40 degree, alternate angles. So find out angle ODC. So in triangle ODC, again use the triangle property, angle ODC plus angle DOC plus angle OCD is equal to 180 degree. So what is ODC? ODC you have to find, angle ODC plus angle DOC is how much? DOC is equal to 105 degree plus OCD is how much? 35 degree. It is equal to 180 degree. So angle ODC plus 140 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle ODC is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree which is equal to 40 degree. Second answer we got as a 40 degree. Now come to the next one. So it means ODC, this one is also 40 degree. Next you have to find angle ACB. It means this complete angle you have to find, angle ACB. So angle ACB, this is ACB ACB is also what? ACB, this one, this portion, this is again your 40 degrees. So angle ACB is equal to angle CAD, which is what? Alternate angles. So angle ACB is also equal to what? 40 degree. So this is another answer. So this one is your first answer. This is your second answer. This is your third answer. Third answer. Now number 4, for angle CBD. CBD. It means this is also 40 degree. Now you have to find CBD. So find out CBD in triangle. In triangle CBD, angle BDC plus angle DCB plus angle CBD is equal to 180 degree. So always we have to use the triangle property. So angle BDC is how much? Angle BDC is your 40 degree plus angle DCB is your 35 plus 40. This one will be your 75 degree and plus angle CBD, which is equal to 180 degree. So here add it. This one will be 5, 7 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it is 115 degree plus angle CBD, which is equal to 180 degree. So angle CBD is equal to 180 degree minus 115 degree. So this is equal to 5 and here it will 7. 7 minus 1 will be 6. So answer is your 65 degree. So the last answer number 4 is your 65 degree. But in book it is given as a 60 degree, which is wrong. So 65 degree is your answer of the fourth part. So see again here what we have done. Here we have done, to find the angle ABO, we have taken the triangle AOB, and in triangle AOB we know that the angle 35 degree is given and 105 degree we got from the vertically opposite angle, and we have used the angle property. After using the angle property, that is sum of the angle equal to 180 degree, we got here 40 degree. Secondly, to find the ODC, we have taken the triangle ODC. In ODC again you use the triangle property, that is all the angles will be 180 degrees, so we will get as a 40 degree. Number third, we can use directly, we have used here alternate angles because angle ACB and angle CAD, these two are the alternate angles. So angle ACB is also equal to 40 degree. And for part number 4, we have used the triangle CBD. Again, sum of the angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So this one you do in your copy, maths copy. And rest, this question number 7, 8, 11, I am going to continue in the next video.